how to use the ES, EFM, Evoc, and Retro Synths in Logic Pro X. I tend not to use these actually because I find that Alchemy and Sculpture has all these and more, and you can do more with them. However, all I can really do here is go through and audition all these for you. There's no need for me to do that, but it is your basic synth. Okay, that is the EFM, the ES. I don't know, the Alchemy versions of all of these are just so much better in my opinion, so I just kind of hate on them a little bit. Maybe I shouldn't. The Retro Synth actually barely makes this list because it does still have some cool things in it, and it's only because it's what I used to use. And there is a quick run through of the basic synths that come with Logic Pro X. Next lesson.